Hello everyone, welcome to my small YouTube channel. I'm your favorite Shingle. Today I'm starting a special 30-day food challenge to see if my taste bud can handle eating nothing but upma for entire month. My day begins with simple morning routine, brushing my teeth using Colgate Red and Sensodyne brush. To kickstart my morning on empty stomach, I prepare a fresh glass of beetroot juice. Okay, let me show you how I it make. First of all, I take a mixer grinder and slightly and add slightly boiled beetroot chunks. And I threw next I threw some fresh cucumber slice. No, you don't need to boil the cucumber. Uh, then then I squeeze some fresh lemon juice using this product. Okay, I bought from it some local market in from Goria station. After after squeezing this, I am interestingly, because the beetroot is boiled, the juice its color shifted slightly after sitting for about 10 minutes. Okay, I need more 5 to 10 minutes to make it. Okay, then you can see the beetroot juice color just because it is boiled. Okay, and if you carry beetroot juice for 5 to 10 months, you can see your face is glowing. I am drinking this beetroot juice more than 5 to 10 days. For breakfast, I prepare the start my 30 days challenge. Suji upma or semolina upma only takes 5 minutes to cook. Uh, I heat a I heat a little mustard oil in a pan and add mustard seeds and dry curry leaves and finely chopped carrot. I slightly stirred fry them and before tossing a few of green chilies and chopped ginger. I poured a plenty of water. Bring it up, bring it to boil, and then gradually start in the semolina. Okay, I finished it with a pinch of salt and a fresh coriander and a coriander powder. I serve it to a different version of bowl, one for myself and one for my sister, older sister, which is include at tomato and capsicum. We enjoyed our breakfast with two boiled eggs. This for me a normal upma. Yeah, and another one for my didi, which is vegetable upma. Those are both of are so tasty. And a cup of black coffee for her, and one mug of water mixed with honey and lemon for me. 2 spoon for our. You can see the all. This is black coffee. We enjoyed our breakfast. After breakfast, I walked to my institute, physicsWallah Vidyapit. Actually, I had to very slightly early because I realized I accidentally left my uh, wrist wristwatch in the washroom there. Today is incredibly lively at the institute because we are celebrating Teachers' Day. The teachers' rooms are decorated and there are a special ceremony speeches being delivered by our faculty. Okay, our faculty. This those was announced by our in our app. So I am so excited for that. And now you can see I am on my road. I need 4 or to 5 minutes for rickshaw next my destination rickshaw stand, which is good. See my you can see the whole scenario. So I am opening the uh, lift, and I always carry the lift. No one no one no one everyone scolded me for that. Every faculty member scolded me for that. So to mark the occasion, our teachers generously hand out shingara to all of us. However, since I am strictly committed to my Upma challenge and my stomach has been feeling a bit unsettled today, I pass my shingara along to my friends, who is very happy, and I loved her happy face. Uh, to sharing the um, to sharing with her my samosa. Not only she and I also share my some tiffin with her. She is beautiful. Okay, later I catch a bus bus back to my home, recording the Science City view outside the window as per I can. Once I get back, a packet it I ordered online is waiting for me. It is stainless steel rolling and chopping board designed for making rotis or cutting vegetable, which while the quality is great, it's make it is make a very loud metallic sound whenever it is touched or used. I worry the noise might be bother my sister when she return exhausted from work shift. Okay, at 5 p.m. At around 5 p.m. It is a time for my evening meal, I prepared another helping of vegetable upma. To accompany it, whip up with bowl of homemade popcorn using uh, corn uh, dry corns to touch with amul butter, a pinch of salt. Stir with I pair my snacks with warm cup of black coffee. For sweet treat, I bring a bar of Cadbury dairy milk chocolate. I absolutely love to share my food, so I divided chocolate with four portion, one for me, one for my sister, one for my landlady, and one for my neighborhood security guard. I also enjoyed the sweet orange, and that my father thoroughly sent over me from Darjeeling. To wrap up night, my dinner constant a final comfortable bowl of upma. This time garnished with fresh mint leaf, paired with a soft bun, which I loved. So that's all for today, guys. If you liked my video, please tell me on the comment box. Tata, bye bye. See you later.